और आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। तो आज इस कॉन्क्लेव को रखने का हमारा सिर्फ एक ही उद्देश्य है, और अगर हम उस उद्देश्य की बात करें, अगर मैं कुछ पंक्तियों में उसे कहूं, तो अगर हिरन अपना इतिहास खुद नहीं लिखेंगे तो शिकारियों की शौर्य गाथाओं में हमेशा हिरणों को कमजोर ही समझा जाएगा। इस बात को आप लोगों को समझना होगा that we are the generation which needs to preserve our history. हम अपने कल्चर को, अपनी हिस्ट्री को प्रिजर्व करेंगे। How will we do it? We need to understand that. And for that purposes and for those cause, I am here organizing this conclave for you people, where we need to know that what exactly our glorious past was. Maybe we are taught these in the schools, but we are forgetting it. We don't realize that we are stepping into something we are not. And if the process will continue, the coming generations will never know that what the real India was, that what was the power of this land, why this land was called the Sone ki Chidiya. We have to make sure that we take this to the younger generations, and that's what sustainability is. If you'll read the definition of sustainability, you'll know that preserving things in such a way that your younger generations will have the perks of it. So we will create it again if it is meant to be created. And how we are connecting it with entrepreneurship. So you'll know that being an entrepreneur, it doesn't only gives you a shape, but it makes you aware. It makes you a good decision maker. It makes you know that what exactly risk-taking capabilities are. आप लोग कम्युनिकेशन सीखते हैं, एक सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, एंड दैट्स व्हाट, अगर हम बात करें अभी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की परिकल्पना में आत्मनिर्भर भारत की बात करें, तो आत्मनिर्भर भारत की परिकल्पना यही है। और आत्मनिर्भर भारत की परिकल्पना सक्सेसफुल तब होगी जब हम इस प्रकार के कॉन्क्लेव्स में हिस्सा लेंगे, इस प्रकार की रिसर्च में हिस्सा लेंगे, और ये बात जानेंगे कि हमारा इतिहास क्या था और हम कैसे एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को प्रमोट करें। If you know about Indian history, you'll come to know that what exactly India was. मुगल हमारे पास आए, and with the advent of Mughals, India deteriorated. With the advent of Britishers, we deteriorated more. And with this, I will tell you that we are the generation which needs to take it forward. कुछ पंक्तियों के साथ मैं अपनी वाणी को विराम दूंगा। यूनान ओ मिस्र ओ रोमा सब मिट गए जहां से, अब तक मगर है बाकी नामो निशान हमारा। कुछ बात है हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सदियों रहा है दुश्मन दौरे जहां हमारा। सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा। And with this, I would like to welcome our guest speaker, Mr. Vikrant Singh Tomar ji. Dr. Vikrant Singh Tomar is a young acknowledged trainer, academician, scholar, writer, and a management consultant. He is an internationally certified NLP practitioner. He has worked as a national training resource of INC ICFI Hyderabad. He is a qualified trainee member, a National Merit Award holder in electronic enabled training of the prestigious Indian Society of Training and Development, New Delhi, recognized by the Ministry of HRD, Government of India. He is a freelance associate trainer of Indian Coast Guards with the Ministry of Defense, Government of India. I welcome you, sir. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you. Thank you.